The global explosion of the internet, of wireless networks, and the rise in broadband capacity and smart devices is transforming how we connect to the world. New and innovative services can be delivered anytime, anywhere. Everything from applications emailing us scans from the copier, to location-based services on our in-car navigation system, to internet-based services that we use every day. Our world is becoming hyper-connected. Connected products now deliver services, and increasingly we buy products because of their connected services. Why is this happening? Across industries, companies and manufacturers are dealing with product commoditization, shrinking margins, regulatory pressures, and the need to develop greater customer awareness. Many are finding that they can deal with this by redesigning their business model and launching innovative high-tech services. For instance, manufacturers in the heating, ventilation and air conditioning industry have been facing revenue growth problems due to competition from low-cost suppliers. Using machine-to-machine communications and wireless networks to remotely control all of the heating and cooling devices in a building, manufacturers are changing their business models. Instead of just selling hardware, they can now sell services around remote environmental control. This creates new streams of revenue. In the energy sector, utilities facing regulatory and environmental pressures hope to influence customer behavior by installing smart meters that can communicate in real time with consumers. By keeping customers informed of their energy usage and encouraging environmentally responsible behavior with lower prices, utilities will better manage energy demand across the energy grid and help protect the environment. High-tech companies such as smartphone manufacturers typically rely on distributors and retailers to sell their products and therefore rarely interact directly with consumers. By launching app stores, they're turning their base product into a platform for services, and this gives them that direct relationship with consumers. The manufacturer now has new streams of revenue and the ability to see how consumers are using their products and what value they're getting from them over time. But what business processes and support systems need to be put in place before launching high-tech services? In most industries, back-end business systems typically include a CRM system for centralizing customer information and an ERP system for managing manufacturing, HR, and financial processes. But these systems are often not built or configured to answer the challenges of monetizing services delivered directly to end customers. What is needed is a solution that takes care of the business processes for service monetization, processes that SAP calls consume to cash. This solution needs to be flexible enough to allow you to rapidly change your business model in the face of evolving market demands. It needs to scale to massive volumes of customers and transactions, and it needs to reliably manage billing and payments from customers and sophisticated revenue sharing with upstream and downstream partners. SAP has such a solution. Its flexibility and scalability has already been proven in hundreds of deployments across multiple industries, and it's modular and open enough that it can be rapidly deployed alongside your existing IT systems. To learn more about best practices for service monetization and our solution, visit the SAP website.